Now, instead of putting a dimension on this notch, instead of putting in the width and the depth of the notch, okay, you can use a note. And that note can be done using this leader button over here. So I'm going to click leader. All we have to do is click and point to wherever you want to put a note on. In this case, I want it to be here and I don't want it to attach. So make sure that it doesn't have any square, okay, on anything like this. And then simply point to that and drag the line out. And it will automatically ask you to type in the note that you want. So in this case, we're going to type in not, okay, and we're going to say parenthesis typical. That means that every notch will be this size, and the size would be 1.5 wide by 5 feet, and then we just simply click OK. Now you can adjust this, click and point and drag that little grip and point to anywhere you want to put it. And if it's too wide or too the text is too tall or too big, you can simply double click on it and your whole ribbon will change, and you wanted to change the text here. So if I want it to be smaller, all I have to do is change this number, let's say 0.1, and I press enter. 0, press 0.1, enter. Oh, I have to highlight. I'm sorry. I have to highlight and then change this to 0.1, enter, and it should be smaller. When you're done, simply click close. Okay, so you want to use a note to put a note on, let's say, how wide or how thick are these members. So you're simply going to click on leader and you're going to point here. Now, if a box appears there, then that means that's where the arrow will appear. So it doesn't matter if you want to start there. You can click, drag, and then click, and then start to type in your note. Let's say members typical width is 1.5, and then simply click OK. Now you can always drag that and drag here and then move it down wherever you want to point it. And you can also use this grip to point it anywhere. Okay. And you can again double click and then highlight, change the text here or text height 0.1, and then press enter to change the text height. Okay. So that's how to use notes using the leader command.